Welcome back, everybody. Today we're going to be taking a look at a camping utensil along with a storage bag. Come with me and let's take a look. Okay guys, so PWPAM is a company that sells some camping and hiking gear, and anyways, they sent me a couple things, this bag and this eating utensil here, and anyways, I thought I'd try them out and show you guys how they work. So I just made a quick meal of some ramen and chicken, just something easy I could cook over the fire there. This is a 5-in-1 tool, so you got the spoon, fork, and then you also have a little butter knife basically there, and then you also have the can opener, which you saw me use. It took a few minutes for me to figure out how to get that right. Basically, if you hold this straight up and down on the edge of the can, it works best. It was a little difficult to use, not the greatest can opener, but you know, it's a multi-tool, so what do you expect? We also got a bottle opener, and I know this is a twist top, but figured we'd just try it out on this and see how she works. If I can get it in there. There we go. There. All right. So it works. Not the greatest bottle opener either, but it works. This is all stainless steel, so it is very stiff and rugged, and you know, nice little utensil. It does also have a little hole right here where you can hang that up. The bag here, you know, I had this utensil in here, and I just put a few other things in here just to show you some options of things you could put in here. I have my fire starter over there for starting my campfire. I've got a extra pocket knife in here. I got a little hot sauce for my ramen stuck in there. I got a little soy sauce over here, and basically this whole thing just folds up like this, and you can roll it up like that, and then this velcros on, and you can just stick it in the side pouch on your backpack and away you go. So that's pretty cool. The other nice thing is it is hangable, so you can find a branch, or you can tie up a line or something, and then these just open up and you can basically hang the bag up so it's not laying on the ground, which is also a nice little feature. It does have extra openings back here where you can put extra gear. I don't have that in there right now just because I just put something together real quick, but you know, there's lots of options here. If you have lots of eating utensils and cooking utensils, you can put your eating utensils up here, and in the back where it's a deeper pocket, you can put your cooking utensils. So anyways, pretty nice little bag, and pretty nice little eating utensil here. So I've been waiting for my for my ramen to cool, but yeah, it's cooled off enough where that's actually pretty tasty now. And I got my beer, so yeah, good stuff. Good little lunch out here at the campsite. But you know, like I said, just an easy little meal. You do have pretty much everything you need here in this utensil to cook and eat your meal, and also open your beverage, open a can, and cook your meal. So anyways, guys, that is the equipment. I'll leave a link in the description below. If you have any interest in these items, you can purchase them through Amazon, and they have a whole Amazon store. There's other items here that are other items on the website that I don't have here. But anyways, if you want to see more products from this company reviewed on the channel, just leave me a comment below. And coming up on 4,000 subscribers, so we'll do another big giveaway here real soon. So thank you guys for watching. I'm going to eat my ramen and chicken, and I'll see you on the next one.